Yes, sir. Just picked up some red Speed Engineering traction bars for my OBS. We'll see what difference they make. All right, so check it out. This is before the traction bars. All right, here we go. Oh, kind of moved around a little bit. Oh, this motherfucker box is heavy. Don't need those. Alright, so it says to loosely assemble this. Not to tighten any of the bolts. Yeah, I read the directions. Alright, so we're gonna put this right there. Start on the lower. Since I got a flip kit, so we're gonna start on the lower holes. Big old bag of parts. Bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so those are for those. I'm gonna do these side by side so I can get the bolts facing the same way. Alright. Pretty straightforward so far. These two pieces. This piece is going to mount on the leaf spring. So let's see how this goes like that. Just like that. I'm going to start on the low hole. I forgot how I did it. That's crazy. I'm using the lower hole on everything because I have a flip kit. That's what it says to do with the flip kit. My truck has the stone fab coilover front kit with the tubular arms. Got the steering kit on here. I also got the Alden American rear adjustable shocks in the rear, max underbed notch. Now we're gonna have some Speed Engineering traction bars. That's it. Got those assembled. I'm gonna get the truck jacked up. Since we got the 454 on the lift, doing 700 R4 swap, waiting on the new flex plate. Anyways, let's get her done. The old one. Alright, so they said they want the flat side towards the front of the truck, I believe. Now I'm second guessing myself. Let's see. Flat side of the 3-hole mount faces the front. Yep. Get over there. Find the hole. Bolt. Right. Hope you guys can see. Alright, so I'm gonna just show you guys real quick. I still have jack stands on the frame, but I preloaded the suspension because it was hitting, the bar was hitting the leaf spring, so you gotta keep the suspension preloaded all the way, and then you can install it, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. Alright, so first thing it says is to adjust the bar, and so what I'm gonna do to make this easier is I'm gonna switch this. I don't know if you can see it. I had it on the second hole, the lowest hole. I'm gonna switch this one. Change it to the top hole, or actually the bottom hole, the hole closest to the plate. And then put this up there. I need to give you guys a better visual. Alright, so I switched it from this bottom hole or top hole to this hole closest to the plate. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bar and adjust it out. And they say about an 1/8 inch clearance right here between the eyelet and the bump stop. We're gonna just run this out. Until we get about 1/8 of an inch. And then just move the jam nuts. Alright, so now that's set, and then we get our Sharpie, which I do not, oh, actually I have it right here. And it says to drill 2 holes, or drill 1 at least. I'm gonna drill 1. So, make sure it's center on the leaf spring. You can fit both screws on both sides, both bolts. I'm just gonna make a little mark. That's it. So we're gonna drill this out. My drill bit is beyond clapped out already, so bear with me. safety glasses. Once you got your hole drilled, get your bolt. All right, with the 1/2 inch, probably don't need this long extension, but the middle one first. The fuck drill. Slide over to the other side. Alright, it's 1.125 inches. I should have got the gun. Yeah. Alright, last thing we're gonna do is torque down the U-bolts. I like to do it evenly. All right, there it is, all finished. both traction bars, so we're gonna go see what the difference is. Everything's all torqued up, tightened. Make sure there's no play. Make sure you got all the jam nuts tight. Let's go run some